backyard. I'm just going to do a review on 3 different cooking stoves that I've used. And here we have the Sterno Inferno, the Jetboil Flash, and this is a Lixada wood stove, but you can use it with methanol cooking gel, which is what we're going to do today. Hi Nixon. So that's what you have to pack for there. Nixon, isn't he pretty? You're a pretty boy. Now move. All right, so this is I'm here in my backyard and I got three different stoves. 3 cooking stoves. The Sterno Inferno, the Jetboil Flash, and the Lixada wood stove. This is what the Lixada wood stove comes in. So if you go camping with this, it's this and this. But you also need a pot. And there is some assembly required. It's not this hard. It only looks hard. Cooking gel. Two cups. We're going to use 2 cups of water. This one has a 2-cup marker, so I'm just using it. And then I'm going to pour 2 cups of water in here. Okay, so that's the Lixada. Next we'll get the Jetboil ready. This is a Jetboil Flash. That goes on the bottom of the canister. And last but not least, the Sterno Inferno. And this is the most compact, okay? This has got your cooking cup and the gel. It doesn't come with the gel, but it'll all fit in this box. This is everything you need right here. And it's cheaper than the Jetboil by a long shot. We now have 2 cups of water in the Lixada, 2 cups of water in the Jetboil, and 2 cups of water in the Sterno Inferno. And I'm going to time it and see how long it takes. We are going to light the 3 cookers, and then we'll put the water on and time it. This is the easiest one to light. There's a valve here. You just turn on the gas. Boom. so they're all going. I'm going to start the stopwatch. And I left this one till last because I know it's going to be the fastest. The Jetboil is also the loudest. Sounds like a jet. Okay, the Jetboil is boiling. 1 minute and 32 seconds. 1 minute and 32 seconds to boil 2 cups of water in the Jetboil. These other two, they're bubbling. Noodles are done. It's hot. They're on. If you guys enjoy this kind of stuff and you like my channel and you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. Down here on my left and your right there is a red subscribe button. Click on that and then click on the bell notification and you'll get a notification each and every time I upload a new video. So you can have Mr. Noodles or oatmeal or dehydrated food in under 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes. That's incredible. Now it's a race to see whether the Lixada wins or the Sterno Inferno. It's a little breezy, which does affect the gel, but it's still going. I can see it. The Jetboil also turns orange when it's done. I don't know if that matters. It's kind of a neat feature. Okay, so I'm going to say this one's boiling. The Sterno Inferno at 14 minutes. Now it's a little windy, so you have to take that into account. But it's boiling. One thing about it, if you're not going far, you could pack all 3 stoves. Hot. These canisters are very dangerous because you can't see the flame. It comes with a snuffer. I got a buddy. Okay, it's bubbling. So again, the only drawback from the Jetboil is the gas canister won't fit inside, which isn't a big deal. But if I had my choice, This is a little slower, but everything fits in a nice, neat little package. So, Sterno Inferno. Jetboil. Gas can. And Lixada wood stove. It is bubbling. And we are at 20 minutes. It's still going. Instant coffee. That's good coffee. Okay, so I can actually boil water with this thing in under 10 minutes using wood. So I'm going to say wood is faster than the gel. And I'll show an example of when I used wood. I used this exact stove at Queen Elizabeth Wildlands last spring, and it works perfectly fine with wood, but now that I have this one and this one, I'm pretty sure that that one's going to end up staying at home. For compact and price, this one you can't beat it, but for practicality and convenience, one of these guys. This one's like, I think 40 bucks. Like, that's cheap. This one over 100. But I'll leave links. I'll leave my Amazon links in the bottom. If you like my channel and you want to see more videos, please use the Amazon links and help support my channel. And the more support I get, the more followers I get, the more videos I can do for you people. So I don't recommend using the gel fuel with the Lixada stove. We're going on 28 minutes now, and I have bubbles, but it's not boiling. It's not a fast, you wouldn't be able to cook noodles in it. In closing, this is the Lixada wood stove. It does work. It works better with wood than it does with the gel. Compact, easy to use. I have used it with wood. It works. The cooking gel, it does work, but it's slower than the wood. This is the Sterno Inferno, and the gel, methanol gel cooking fuel, fits inside, and there we go. That is the most compact unit. About 15 minutes to boil 2 cups of water, but that is the most compact. And the most compact and the most bang for the buck. I would take this camping with me. I would take this back camping with me anytime. It's so compact. Not quite as fun as the Jetboil. The Jetboil's fun, I'll have to admit. But the Jetboil, lots of fun. It's a little bit bigger because the canister won't fit inside. So this is what you're taking here, and this is what the Sterno Inferno. So there you go. There's the comparison. If you put that on there. There's 3 stoves. All right, so I hope you liked my review. Please leave a comment and click on the thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next week.